cool.
What's cool?
All of this stuff.
All this stuff? Why is it cool?
I mean,
Do you like being out in the nature?
yeah.
You do? What is it that you like about it?
Because it's cool stuff.
Because it's cool stuff?
Things.
What kind of cool stuff?
Like, all of this stuff. It's like cool.
Yeah? What, like the leaves and the different types of plants and stuff?
Yeah.
And berries?
Yeah.
We saw lots of berries today, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a lot.
I wish Katie and Sammy and Mommy were here.
Yeah.
Because this is, look at all these colorful leaves.
Yeah. It's like nature of leaves.
It's
like millions of them.
Yeah, what kind of animals did we see?
Then we saw ducks and gooses.
Yeah. Did we see any birds though? I thought.
No, we didn't see.
No birds yet?
No.
Maybe we'll see some birds.
Did
we see the labyrinth?
What?
We saw the labyrinth, right?
Yeah.
We went in and we walked around it.
Yeah.
Did you get any pictures of it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Isn't it kind of cool how God made this place?
Yeah, it's like he made
Like every one of these trees he made. There's a lot of trees.
It's like a wheel. It's like nature. It's like a millions of trees in a lake. It's like millions of trees in a pond. I don't know why there's like so much trees. How would you take a picture of these, Dad?
Okay.
Sally and I film.
You want me to take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.